Going over the trades from Friday, January the 10th. Good day to short crude oil and stock indexes. Going over crude oil first. This is our SR Counter Trend 3 trading system. You see the nice short here in gold. Obviously the trend is down after this rally here to highs on the geopolitical Iran missile to Iraq. And so market sold off, short of the rally. Good trade. SR Counter Trend 3 A and B version both captured that, hit their $500 profit targets, which was about the right amount. It could have gone a little better, but once it got to this area, there was congestion here. So this was a turning point up here, and anywhere in this area was congestion. So good exit on that. You see Asia Gold 4 took the long trade over here. That was 3 days ago, and this SR Counter Trend 3 captures the short. So good trades. I'm finding that gold is becoming a more and more tradable asset. There are time periods when it's been more challenging, and right now it's been a nice market to trade with the algos. So those were the trades on Friday, January the 10th for gold. And you also see Cobra Euro 4 capturing this move. Asia Gold, that was a trade from Thursday. There were no trades in this workspace except an exit on soybeans. It was short on Thursday, exited at the open on Friday, and then Grains Day Trader 3 took that short trade, and then you have this Cobra Euro 4 trade right here. And in the stock index portfolios, the shorts definitely won on Friday. We're going to go over all the strategies. We tracked 38, and in this workspace window right here, there's 19, and the first strategy that was in was Night Trader. It hit its profit target early, got back in, and is down on an open position trade that you see here. Holding this, the current entry price is $32.8450. The stop will be $32.5425. It is close to that. If you're waiting for an entry point on Night Trader and you're not currently in Night Trader, this is a good place to potentially get in. We're 10 points away from the stop. And then if it unravels and goes back up, your profit target is 14 points higher at 32.9825, and so you're talking about 35 points higher with about a 10 point risk to phase into this trade. That is Night Trader, and 60-minute breakout exited right at the open of this session. First bar of the new session on Thursday night. Hit its profit target of $1,000 from the trade that was initially taken on Wednesday. And gap continuation 2019 had a nice long trade here. And Thursday and Friday, the market patterns were similar on this custom session. Gap up, rollover, bounce. Gap up, rollover, bounce, and then rollover again on Friday. So the long trades did not work on those gap ups, but it did work on Wednesday. Let's look at some of the short trades now. The highlights were stock index swing, hit its $500 profit target. Good timing on that exit. I like that exit. Be nice to get another short here. And let's look at AT 2020 E-mini S&P short. Both of these went short for $5.25 each. And then let's look at our second all strategy access workspace, AT 2019. This is also in trades slightly different than AT 2020. You see the trade there, and the AT 2020 NQ hit its break-even stop. That's the caveat of having break-even stop. Sometimes is it catches the trend and then it gets out on a reversal, only to miss the next leg down. So that's one caveat of having break-even stops. But the back test is good on that one, and we like to have a diversity of exits. The E-mini S&P captured those downtrends, and if this market had reversed, we were already long based on the SR Counter Trend strategies that I'll go over in a minute. Right here, SR Counter Trend 2, it won on Thursday, lost on Friday. Several of these lost on Friday. The V2-1M hit its profit target, great timing. So these have different cycles because of the time frame. This one, the next three lost. This one was down 825 as well. And let's see, this one exit at the end of the day, minus 340. Exit at the end of the day, minus 515. And those are the trades for the stock indexes. Those are the trades on Friday, January the 10th in all of our workspaces you see at the bottom. We have 5 workspaces and 74 strategies we're tracking now in our All Strategy Access subscription with different portfolios.